Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn to solve algebraic one-step word problem. For solving word problem, first we have to translate the words into math symbol, then write the equation and finally find the unknown value. Here is our first word problem, the marble mystery. Araf had a box of marbles. His best friend gave him 18 more marbles for his birthday. If Araf now has a total of 45 marbles, how many marbles were there in the box at first? Before Araf had 45 marbles, there was a secret number in this box. In maths, we call that secret number variable and we will represent it by letter X. Now, in his birthday, he got 18 more marbles from his friend. Since we are adding to the box, we use plus sign. So it is plus 18. So the expression will become what? The X, the marble already present in the box plus marble gifted by his friend. Arav now counted the total numbers and the grand total is 45. So we can write the equation as X plus 18 equals to 45. We got the equation. Now we will solve it by transposition method. Transpose the constant term to the other side and here plus 18 is the constant term. So we will transpose plus 18 from left hand side to the right hand side. When we transpose a term, its sign changes. So now plus 18 will become minus 18. So x equals to 45 minus 18. So x equals to 27. So there were 27 marbles in the box at first. Now the second problem, the cost of comics. Rosie brought 5 identical comic books. She spent a total of rupees 80. How much did each comic book cost? Let us assume the cost of each comic book is X. We already know that the cost of 5 comic book is rupees 80. Now instead of writing X plus X plus X plus X equals to 80, we will use the key player called multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. So we can write it as 5x equals to 80. In the expression 5x, the number 5 is multiplied by x. According to the transposition method, when we move multiplier from one side of the equation to the other, it becomes divisor. So x equals to 80 divided by 5 equals to 16. So each comic book cost rupees 16. Now the bakery problem. A local bakery made a fresh batch of cupcakes. After selling 20 of them throughout the morning, they have 7 left in the display case. How many cupcakes did they bake initially? Let us consider X as the total cupcake baked initially. After selling 20 cupcakes, 7 are left. We know that the starting number of the cupcake minus the number sold equals to the number left over. So now let us write the equation. Starting number, we consider it as x, right? And the number sold is 20. So x minus 20 equals to 7. So now let us solve it by transposition method. We will transpose minus 20 on the right hand side and it will become plus 20. So x equal to 7 plus 20 equals to 27, right? So we got the initial number. So they baked 27 cupcake initially.